Welcome back to Project Malvern. Come have a look at some of my favourite things happening on site. Walking through my arch door with my arch opening into the lounge room and my arch seating at my entry. This is the custom curved wall which is forming the lounge room. This is for the About Space couch. This is the Cosentino stone which has just been installed. We have it cladding the range hood over the top here and also hiding the hob wall which has the staircase going to the basement downstairs. And here we have our amazing wavy island bench, which I cannot wait to see the next stage, which is polished plaster on this bench top. And this is covered, so I'm not going to show you yet, but behind me is where the bath will be from Reece. And this amazing arch detail from Audsley they've put onto the windows. Everything is being covered now for painting, so there is final touches coming very soon.